Hello, welcome to Dulari Animal Care Center. Have a view. Yeah. So basically, it's our center. Here is our clinic. There's one eagle. We have rescued him day before yesterday, and there are multiple fractures in this dog, and treatment is going on here. It's our ICU. यहाँ पे हमारे ऑल सर्जरी वाले बच्चे मीन्स हु नीड क्रिटिकल केयर वी कीप ऑल देम हियर. These are two babies. These are up for adoption. Bala Bali. Bala? Hey Bala. They are both are for adoption. It was area which was given us before. उसके बाद हमें ये वाला एरिया दिया गया था. This area because this was too small. In this section. पुष्पेंद्र बच्चे खोल दे एक बार सारे. रख दे कहीं तो इसको देख ऊपर रख दे ऊपर. ए जोधा ठीक है छोड़ दे बच्चे निकाल दे. Dogs in this section so you can they're coming out. It's their play area. These are kennels where they live peacefully. And the skin infection dogs here, like you can see Sweetie. His abandoned lab and Buddy. Bella, she's abandoned pit bull. Malik. So basically it's the kitchen for dogs. Basically we feed vegetarian diet to dogs, which include rice, all vegetables, soya, pulses, dal, etc. Yes. इनको निकाल दे यार नितेश थोड़ी देर. It's our play area, like you can see. It's our accidental section, like amputated leg, maggots, and all babies. Come this way. One is the section. There are two sections more here, and this is another section. Pablo, and basically it's our paralyzed area. Come on, bro. Hey, done. Basically, it's our paralyzed section. There are many dogs which are paralyzed, like you can see here. He's paralyzed. His name is Raja. He's recovering. He's also paralyzed. He have tumor, and he is Jerry. He have kidney failure, but now he is all right. Jerry. And this is our paralyzed section. There are two babies which are paralyzed here, and this one, this one, this one. These two are different sections. Jerry? Basically, construction is going on. We are preparing a pool for babies for hydrotherapy. Come along, you can see. There, we are preparing. Either side. And it's our puppy section. Painting is going on. Welcome to puppy section. Hello, Aisha, Rehana. Aisha, you're sleeping, huh? Leila. Tilak. And it's our cattery. One cat is there. Hello. इसके ऊपर है, पर इसको करवा के फिर कराऊं. Prepare some area for paralyzed babies. Here they will get therapy. Also, we are preparing mud bath therapy also for babies. So basically, it's our shelter. So, if you want to volunteer here, you can come anytime and do whatever you want, please. And do visit our shelter, spend some time with babies. And if you want to donate, and do please. Number and scanner will be in description box. You can please donate there. हेलो. सो अभी गर्मियों का समय आ रहा है, तो आप अपने घर के बाहर या छतों पे पानी वगैरह रखें बच्चों के लिए, चिड़िया वगैरह के लिए, कुत्तों के लिए, बिल्लियों के लिए, और जो गायें वगैरह हैं जो सड़कों पे घूमते हैं उनके लिए चारा और पानी वगैरह रखें, क्योंकि गर्मी का टाइम है. अगर पानी वगैरह बच्चे नहीं पिएंगे तो बीमार पड़ जाएंगे. और दूसरी चीज़, बच्चों को प्यार करें, क्योंकि कई कहते हैं एग्रेसिव वगैरह है, लेकिन अगर आप बच्चों को प्यार करेंगे, खाना देंगे, तो वो नहीं काटेंगे. They need love, nothing else, and food. So if आपको कोई इंजर्ड बच्चा या अगर कुछ हो तो आप फ़ोन कर सकते हैं हमें. नंबर आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. ओके. 100+ बच्चों की देखभाल करते हैं. We take care of 100+ dogs, cats and animals. और बेसिकली हमारा उद्देश्य ये है कि हम यहाँ पे सारे मतलब पशु वगैरह, ऑल कम्युनिटी एनिमल्स लिव पीसफुली, सबका यहाँ पे इलाज हो सके. ऑल शुड लिव पीसफुली. सो वी आर ट्राइंग. नेक्स्ट शूट. Basically, before starting, we were feeders before. We feed around 300 dogs and all other animals like cows, cattle, buffalo. Then after that, on July, we started this center, Dulari Animal Care Center. And then you can see now there are 100+, and अभी हमको 10 महीने के लगभग हो चुके हैं यहाँ पे. तो 10 महीने में हमारे पास 100+ बच्चे हो चुके हैं. Basically, we run on donations, or there are minimal charges we charge for treatments. Donations, like we run on donations, and so please donate, as you can donate us food as well clothes, anything you want. Okay.